Got your GoPro in?
Battery's still dead.
Oh.
So keep your crank card like that.
Looks good. Hard driver, Richard. Hard driver, buddy.
Hard driver is just gonna get. Keep going.
Okay, you're gonna slide down. You're gonna feel it slide down, but that's okay.
Right, because it'll catch right here.
Yeah, if you won't fly over.
Just stay with it.
Back it up and give it a little bump like that.
Brake, and then gas. Let the brake go and stay on it.
Let the tire spin for a minute. Don't get warm.
I'm sitting too heavy on top.
Your bumper's in the back, Bubba. You're not going backwards anymore.
There you go. Just let them spin.
Stay with it. Stay with it. You're going up.
Just let them spin. Okay, they gotta get warm. Okay, now back up a little bit and give it a little bump.
You got about 1.5 feet back is all you got.
Okay, that's perfect.
Hey, that looks good though. You're looking better.
Turn into the wall. There you go.
Richard, back passenger, you've got about 1.5 feet to that stump.
Okay, I don't really want to hit my Jeep on the stump.
Well, I'm just telling you what you got when you're backing up.
Turn towards there when you back up. There you go.
Your bumper's gonna hit before the Jeep will, so don't worry about it.
A little bit more. Okay, now put it into drive and let it roll forward and turn hard driver. There you go, right there.
Whoa, yeah!
Yeah, bitches and hoes.
How you doing?
We're just gonna be showing this video to the ladies.
It's about a steep bitch right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I ain't ready. I ain't ready. My pussy hurts. I ain't ready.
I told you.
I ain't ready.
Ah, damn her, Jimmy.
I ain't ready. My name's Rich. Will you put something?
Okay, take it back down. You do it.